Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to build a clone computer. We will get Gigabyte H821M DS2 motherboard, Core i7 4th Gen processor, RAM 4GB, cooling fan, SSD and power supply casing. So we will make a clone computer and stay tuned with me. This is a budget clone PC, so we will fit it now. Processor, RAM, and this is motherboard, and we will set it. This is processor cooler, processor cooling fan, 250 taka only. So first we will remove the processor protector carefully. Then I will insert processor. You remember this port will insert the slot inside. Here you see. After setting processor, I will lock it. It is very careful issue. Then I will set processor cooling fan. Before set cooling fan, you always try to move the spike on the left side. After set, you press the 4 lock. And you ensure every lock will be set tightly, and then I will insert RAM on motherboard. After doing that, I will unbox casing and set the motherboard in the casing. We will need a SSD, any kind of brand, doesn't matter. All the screws needed to build the PC are included with the casing. Here you see also cable tie and all type of screw here. Power cable, set this part in motherboard. First we check the fitting side and I will set in casing. So I will do that. Apply the lower part first, then apply pressure from the top and lightly press the surrounding area. It will be set easily. Just press the both side, up, down and right, left side. It will set it easily. After doing that, I will set the motherboard in the casing. First we set the motherboard and check it out. All the port will correctly set. Then I will put the screws in. These screws will put in motherboard. All the screws will be lightly applied first and then tightened. The power pinout cable will insert on motherboard. Then You use the audio and USB pinout on the motherboard. You look carefully and insert. CPU 4-pin connector. Veloutop power supply has power switch and power LED. There is no restart and HDD power out. First we insert power. The LED next to the power switch will be minus and the first will be plus. So you insert it carefully. Now we will set SSD in the side of the casing. This is the place to install the SSD. We cannot install it like this. It will be very difficult. So for easy, we will lay it to rest, then put the screw. We will connect power cable and data cable with SSD. All are simply fitted and I will press the power button. Then we will see the result. Here you see the display. There is no Windows, that's why it will come, and we will install Windows from the BIOS setup or boot menu setup. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much. Thank you.